everyone, this is Jenny, and today I will introduce the LED tea light candle for you. And the LED tea light candle in my hand, this one you can say. The LED tea light candle is made by PP. It's plastic pack, plastic materials. And this LED tea light candle is different with the real wax candle. This one, as you can see the difference. This one is made by wax. This one is made by plastic. And this LED tea light candle work by batteries. Let me show you. Okay, wait for a moment. Okay, you can say this is a battery. And after we take on the candle, the candle will be light. This one, and the light will be warm yellow color, and we also have a different kind of color like this one, flickering 7 colors. Okay, let you show you the colors in the dark light, in the dark condition. Okay, for the LED tea light candle, the size is 3.8 diameter, and for the height is also 3.8. Okay, it is similar with the real wax, but different with the working. One is battery and one is wax. You can use it together with the jar. See the different colors candle? Very beautiful. After the size, the light, let's show you the package. For the package, it's 24 pieces in one box, such kind of color box. And another, let me show you the wick. As you can see, the different wick. One is soft top, and another is hard top.